Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you about my Edge Verify backtesting system. So from the last 6 months I was creating a backtest platform because I am in the stock market from the last 3 years, and I have faced a lot of problems, and during that I observed that the backtesting is really a tough job for a trader. So I was doing swing trading from last years, and from the last 2 to 3 months I started also on the intraday trading. So I have already posted lot of video about that, and today is this video about my Edge Verify backtesting system. So that feature I have done here, and now I'm just going to show you that, and you can see a UI interface, and here I have selected single stock. So with the help of this option I can backtest on the single stock. So if I here select the ITC stock, and here I can select in which risk reward I can backtest it. So let me select the 1:3, and here is a loss limit. So per trade I am going to lose 1000 rupees, and here is the range. So from 2404 2023 to 2404 2026 I am going to test. It's a totally 3 year of data. So yeah, let me just run the backtest. Yeah, so it is loading, and here I have added a loader where you can see that the loader is showing a chart, and here some images are popping up. So that is about system, and now it is doing the backtesting. Okay, so backtest is done for the ITC stock. So if I scroll down, so here you can see results. About on the results you can see that win rate. So uh, for this strategy, so I am doing backtesting on the 5-minute breakout strategy. So with this strategy we have win rate 31.79%, and total trades we have took 431, and here is you can see that net loss. So this strategy on loss with the ITC stock, and you can see that max drawdown. So that meaning is that consistently you can got this loss with this strategy on with this stock, and you can see that average loss and average winnings. You can here I have added the equity curve chart, so you can see that equity curve chart is going down, and after that you can see that here it is showing weekly profit and loss. So the first week it got some good profit, and after that bit loss, bit profit, and after that more losses again, bit profit, loss. So like that it is showing weekly, so that viewer easily can see that. So that one, and after that at the end you can see a table. So in that table day by day it is added all the data, like which time that strategy entered at, and in which price it is entry, what was the stop loss, what was the target, what was the quantities, what got net loss or net profit, and status that trade was in the loss or profit, and the reason, like it will hit the stop loss, it will hit the target, or it will got the EOD exit. So at the 3:15 it got exit, it didn't got the stop loss and the target that day. So you can also download this data with the help of download SVG button. So that feature I have added. So like that it is helping your strategy to backtest in the historical data. So that platform in that way helping us. And if I select the next option, you can see that portfolio. So someone said that that person want to test on the multiple options, multiple stock, he want to make a portfolio type strategy. So it may happen that strategy required 4 stocks. So let me select that 4 stocks, and here already let me select 1:2, and here I have set it the per trade, the loss, and the maximum capital, and the backtest start date and the end date. Let me run it. Yeah, so on this option user can select multiple stock, and they can backtest as a portfolio backtest. Like if 4 stock are live in your trading system, and as soon as you got the trade on one of the stock, you did the entry, and if you got the entry on the second stock, you got the entry. So like that, this is portfolio testing, so which I have added on my system. So these are the two features right now I have added. We can test on the Indian indexes also, and I have also crypto data, crypto market data, so I will also going to add that, and we can also backtest on that one. So this is all about this platform, and it is still running. It will took some time, so let's wait and let's see the final result, what we will got on the portfolio for the 5-minute breakout strategy. Cool, it is done. So you can see that the backtest is done, and here is the result. So same as on with this strategy, 5-minute breakout and the portfolio backtest, here it is have 30% win rate and total trades. These of the numbers: net loss, overall profit factor, max drawdown, average win rate, average loss, blocked, and blocked capital. So these are the result are showing, and you here you can see that equity curve, it is still down, and same as here you can also see that week wise the profit and loss, and here it is one by one showing, like ICICI Bank how much give the return, TCS how much give the return, HDFC how much give the return, Reliance how much give the return. And after that have a trades table, and in that you can see that every entry, you can see information about every entry, when, in which date it got entry, which time it got entry, which time it got exit, entry price, exit price, SL, target, quantity, net profit, result, and the reason. So you can see that it was entry on the 9/18 and exit on the 10/5. The reason was it got the SL. So like this you can also download the CSV file and review from yourself, and also you can review all the entries on the real brokers. In that you can verify your reports. So like that this As Verify platform is working, and inside the As Verify platform, this is the backtest feature. So like that it is helping us to verify our strategies. So right now I have strictly added the 5-minute breakout strategy, but later we can later anyone can make own strategy. Later anyone can, after making the strategy, can the backtest. So these are the feature I'm going to add. So this is the in progress right now. So thank you so much everyone. This is overview of my As Verify backtest system. Thank you so much.